Angie Horkin from the Wisconsin Beef Council is here today with a great appetizer recipe if you're going to a holiday gathering. Hi, Angie.
Hello.
What are you making today?
So I have a fun appetizer recipe using ground beef. Now, beef is usually thought of as your main course, your main dish, but we have a lot of appetizer recipes, and most of them use ground beef. So it's a great way to incorporate beef maybe into a full appetizer menu, tapas. I love doing that, just those small little bites. So then you can kind of try everything and graze. So these are called our beef and couscous stuffed baby bell peppers. So we're gonna make the filling quick. And I'm using lean ground beef. So I've got like a ground round, ground sirloin, because we're gonna make our filling and we're not gonna brown the ground beef. It's gonna brown in the peppers in the oven, so you don't have that step where you could brown your ground beef and drain some extra fat.
So get as lean as you can find.
If you like, I like doing that for this recipe. You definitely don't have to. Any ground beef is fine.
Okay.
But you just don't, you'll miss that step if that's what you're used to.
All right, what do you add to it?
So I got a pound of ground beef. We're gonna add in some garlic, of course, some minced garlic, salt, pepper, and dried oregano, couscous.
Just dried couscous?
Dried couscous, whole grain or regular.
Okay.
Spicy vegetable juice or regular vegetable juice, whatever you like. And then some spinach, frozen chopped. I just grabbed a package of that.
That's easy,
and then
couldn't be
thawed
easier.
it and drained it. I got it on a paper towel just to kind of suck up some more of that liquid. I think a half of a cup.
Okay. And
some cheese, that goes on top. Now, I bought one of those little bags of the mixed baby peppers.
They look like little Christmas lights. So they're perfect for this time of year.
I know, they are, but they got yellows, oranges, reds, so they're so festive. So I took them and I rinsed them and then I cut them in half and then just pulled out the seeds and the membrane.
Okay.
But really, that is it. That's all we're gonna do. We're gonna make this filling and then stuff the peppers. Now, the recipe says 15 of these mini peppers. I cannot fit my stuffing in 15. I always make more.
You got 2 bags of peppers.
Yeah, get 2 bags of peppers. So like, it's over 30 halves. But then these bake in a 400-degree oven.
So you just stuff the little peppers.
Yeah, about 25, 30 minutes.
Put them on a cookie sheet.
Put them on a cookie sheet.
Sprinkle them with the Parmesan.
Sprinkle them with the Parmesan, and then do not cover them. Bake them in that 400-degree oven till they're cooked through, which takes about 25, 30 minutes. And they're delicious. And
delicious
they look like
and
that.
simple and so festive for the season.
Perfect. They are. So beeftips.com is our Wisconsin Beef Council website. On the homepage, we got a link to our As Seen on TV recipes, but then also Beef Up the Holidays page. So you find all of our recipe collections, all of our cooking tips. More than you thought you needed to know is there. So take 5 minutes, check it out.
All right. Thank you, Angie.
You're welcome.